Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama. I want you to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get the freshest, hottest new videos as soon as they drop. All right, so we're gonna start off with how the truck came in. This truck had been in 4 other shops prior to coming to my shop. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see the black gloss on the inside where the door panel's gonna be at. All nicely masked off. Got the pearl white. He did hit him with the two-tone all the way across there. Look at that. That's beautiful. That's amazing right there. Let me see. There you go. There go the other one right there. Same thing. Same routine. Clean. Oh, that's it right there. That's beautiful, man. That pearl white. That black gloss, man. Yes. That's looking beautiful right there. I'm pretty happy. I'm knowing the owner, he gonna really like this right here. Yep. Too many daggone cars in here. Too many cars in here. Too many cars up in here. Oh my goodness, there's too many cars up in here. Yeah. It's never a layup, right? Too easy. You see it, baby girl? Late night run. Always up to something. Bring that right there. So as y'all can see behind me, we got the beast. It's ready to go. It's been with me for a while. So I'm gonna let y'all take a look at it. Here we go. Ooh, I wanted to get it out in the sun so y'all could really see them pearls dance. Did the black trimming, the silver button, the chrome button. Got the racing wheels on it. We blacked that out for him. Pearl bumper. It came with the HIDs. Bumper, been painted pearl. Two-toned the grill with the black letters in it. Really wanted to see y'all show them pearls. Tail lights came out pretty good. New lenses on there. Roll pan, pearl white. black gloss panels in there on both sides. Sprayed the dash. Oh man, there's no detail spared. All right, man. Let's go ahead and get ready. Say goodbye to him. First start since the restoration. Let's see what it do.
Yeah, it's been sitting a while, so it may not like it. Battery's dead.
Oh man.
Yeah. Oh well. I'll back it in. Winch it on.
All right.
Lights are on.
I say the lights is on. I thought we was gonna have some action. Man, them tail lights came together pretty good. Did you see them? You checked them out?
Let me.
Those new lenses.
Oh yeah.
I just ran that wire that runs them. I just ran it through that bar down there, so I won't drag on you.
All right.
Cause I know you already said you're gonna address that.
I'll wire them up.
Yeah, we was just worried about the fitment and the paint. We weren't really worried about
Yeah.
all the electrical. I got those lights in there. They not wired, but and I put your
the headlights.
mm-mm,
Okay.
they not wired, and I put your those are new ones.
Okay. The lenses.
Because one of them was all the way cracked, so we put the new ones on there. I didn't even see them till today.
Okay.
I like yesterday. I put them on there for you.
Perfect. Let me get back and stuff.
We got a air ride trailer. You can drop this Joker. Drop and load. Drop the Joker.
Like an airbag.
Was it like a
Like a safety.
do it supposed to be in that hole, the other latch in the front?
Well, this needs to not be latched.
Y'all ain't never seen no Ram this clean. Not no 78. Oh man, this thing's so clean. Jeez. It's going up. Jeez Louise. I gotta show y'all the other door panel. Y'all might not think that we really glossed them up on the inside, you know what I'm saying? Same thing. Painted, powder coated. With the chrome button. Glossy. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at the reflection on that thing, man. Come on, man. Y'all see that right there? Y'all see? Come on, man. See the reflection in that thing? Come on, man. Stop playing with me. All that. Oh my goodness. Look at this pearl. We run a line the bed for him. Now this truck come a long way. Those holes were welded up. Those holes right here for where the roll cage was, for the roll bar. Got a chance to drive it up on the trailer. There it is. It's up there. So he rolling big dog status. Same one trying to match this one. Goodness, that's crazy. Let's see which one hit harder. I think the Ram hit harder. Let's see. Ooh-wee. Strapping it on down. I can't believe how beautiful this thing turned out, man.
Great.
It's 85%, man. I want you to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get the freshest, hottest new videos as soon as they drop.